An increasing number of two-way radio business needs are occurring in indoor spaces. The challenge for industry experts now is how to improve the communication experience and business capabilities. Evertac Solutions collaborates with Motorola Solutions for 20 years, providing solid product and technical support as a trusted partner serving over 1,000 industry clients. Let's show how Evertac Solutions collaborates with partners to create a perfect two-way radio system to meet the complex and large interior of a semiconductor factory in Singapore. To ensure good communication throughout the entire factory, we use Motorola Capacity Plus and Evertac Solutions DistriNet to split the communication network into modular areas to achieve accurate signal coverage. We have divided the factory into 26 zones based on the different types and structures of the buildings. We integrate multiple Motorola repeaters into a DAS system to provide cluster services with the Capacity Plus feature for the entire factory. RF signals are converted into optical signals through the OMU and lossless transmitted to various areas of the factory. The ORU then restores the optical signals to RF signals and transmits them to the antennas. We use reliable 30-meter radius antenna overlapping coverage design to effectively enhance signal quality. The antennas are equipped with LED display lights to clearly show signal quality. Using the Netflix management platform, users can remotely access the system's operational status and maintain control over the system's health. DistriNet is a comprehensive two-way radio indoor coverage solutions that continuously updates and iterates its efficiency in application scenarios, creating a safe and convenient communication world for users.